Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the 5 things that you should do as soon as you install your Linux desktop. All right, well, congratulations. You got your Linux distribution installed. You took the time to go find out which one you wanted to try. You burned it to a bootable ISO. You made it through the whole installation process. And now what do? You've reached a functional desktop operating system that you can use. Now, what are the top things that you should do right away? One might be wondering. Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at that. We're going to kind of go over that. These are the things that you should do. You don't have to do it like, you have to do it as when you do it, okay? But it's best if you do it right when you first install your distribution. That is usually the best way to be.